Standard for Science Term 2. Welcome friends. Today we are going to see about food. Friends, now let us see the introduction. Friends, food is our basic need for our daily life. It provides energy to us. In this lesson, we learn about health, cooking methods and preservation. Food. We take plants and animals as our food. We took those as raw as well as cooked. What is raw food and uncooked food? Food without cooking are known as raw food. Example, pulses and cereals. We should clean and wash before eat them. These are the image of the fruits, vegetables, nuts and tubers. Friends, now let us see the food. Did you know we cannot eat all the food items in raw form? Food that needs to be processed using heat before it can be eaten is called cooked food. Why should we cook food? Cooked food is digested easily. Cooking softens the food materials. Cooking kills germs. It gives extra taste and flavor to the food. Friends, this is the example of cooked food. Cooking methods and habits. Friends, did you identify what is this? Yes, this is a menu card. You can see in the hotel, menu card in hotel. Some of the cooking methods. Friends, now let us see the boiling. It is a method of cooking food by immersing it in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. Example, rice and egg. Steaming. It is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. Example, idli, idiyappam. Third one, pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. Example, rice, dal. Roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. Example, groundnuts and cashew nut. Now let us see the frying. It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Example, chips, buri. Friends, do you see that cooking methods divided into three? There are moist heat, dry heat, other methods. Now let us see the cooking habits. Wash your hands with soap before cooking. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Wash cooking vessels and knives. Do not cook food for a long time because it destroys the nutrients present in the food. Do not use the same oil for cooking food many times. Using the food items after their expiry date is not good for our health. Friends, now let us see the cooking utensils. I think you see these items in your home or in your kitchen. Yes, this is the utensils. Okay, utensils are in different shapes and sizes. We use specific utensils for each cooking method. Clay pot were used earlier. Stainless steel or aluminium vessels are now generally used for cooking. Cooking in clay pot. The early people used this method. Clay pots are well suited for all types of cooking. Cooking in clay pots improves the quality and taste of food and also retains the nutrients. The natural insulation properties of clay cause heat and moisture to keep balance and circulate throughout the pot and keep the nutrients unharmed and prevent the dish from burning. Friends, this is the benefits of clay pot cooking. Easy to digest, preserve the nutrients, needs less oil for cooking, adds flavor to the dish, keeps the food warm for a long time, keeps the food from becoming stale soon. Alkaline property in the pot neutralizes the acidic property in the food. Mealtime hygienic. Friends, I think you saw these people selling foods near your school gate. Which one hygienic? Tell me the answer. Yes, second one close within bottle. Friends, always cover food to protect them from dust and insects. Eat fresh food always. Avoid taking food that is too cold or too hot. Avoid fast food and fried food. Always wash your hands with soap and after eating. Friends, in this picture, what do you see? Yes, a boy is standing healthy. He eating the vegetables and fish and healthy food. Why this boy is standing like this? Yes, he eat more junk food like hamburger, hot dog, ice cream, french fries and etc. Friends, food during illness. When we are sick, we should avoid food items that are fried in oil. We should take energy-giving, easily digestible food. Some of them are given below. Porridge of rice and cereals, fruit juice, tender coconut, steamed food like idli. Friends, now let us see the food wastage. We should not waste food. Food that is not eaten is called leftover. Friends, you can follow these simple ways to avoid your food wastage. Take what you will eat and eat what you take. Share the excess food to your friends or your neighbors. Give the excess food to hungry animals. We should not waste food. Friends, now let us see the food preservation. We can preserve the food for long time by using the following methods. Pickling, mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt. Example, pickle. Friends, I think this item in your home, yes, it is refrigerator. Keeping food in the refrigerator or fridge to preserve them for a short time. Example, fruits and vegetables. Drying, removing the water content of the food. Example, fish, red chilies. Canning, storing food in air-tight containers. Example, jam. Friends, now let us see the book exercise. First one, we will see the choose the best answer. First one, which one can be eaten as raw food? The answer is carrot. Okay, next one, uncooked food is called raw food. Third one, solar cooker reduces air pollution. Fourth one, which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Yes, the answer is fish. Fifth one, we can avoid food wastage by giving to the needy. Okay, now let us see the fill in the blanks. Dash gives us energy to work and play. Raw food gives us energy to work and play. Second one, cooked food is easily to digested. Third one, pressure cooker is one of the modern utensils. Fourth one, we need pure air, protected water and hygienic food for our healthy life. Fifth one, we make idiyappam by steaming method. Okay, now let us see the match the following. First one, grapes, raw food. Second one, mixture of vegetables, salad. Third one, electric rice cooker, modern utensils. Fourth one, earthen pot, olden utensil. Fifth one, less fatty food during illness. Okay, now let us see the true or false. First one, biryani is a raw food. False. Second one, frying is a method of cooking. True. Third one, we can cook rice on a tawa. False. Cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. True. Consuming too much oil food is bad for our health. Yes, it is true. Okay, now let us see the answer in brief. Name any 3 cooking methods. Draw one of your favorite raw food and color it. Write any 2 food items you should eat when you are sick. Write about any 2 preservation methods. The answer is given below. How can you reduce wastage of food in your home? Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends.